At Gillmor Ordnance, business is booming, and ever since owner Bob Gillmor was a kid, he has enjoyed blowing things up and has finally made a career of it. He started out by participating in Civil War reenactments and experimenting with cannon making in his spare time. Before he knew it, his hobby was in full demand, and he has been a full-time cannon maker for over 20 years. In 1998, Bob Gillmor founded Gillmor Ordnance Limited. He bought a foundry and has since been fulfilling cannon orders for customers around the world, and has even caught the attention of Hollywood movie producers. And his cannons have been used in many movies including Gods and Generals, Master and Commander, and The Last Samurai, just to name a few. Step into Bob's cannon factory and watch Bob cast aluminum, bronze and build these explosive masterpieces. Bob makes replica cannons small scale to full scale. He also makes mortars, coins, and bells. Ask today about adding this exciting tour to your itinerary when you visit Sandusky County.